In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display product reviews in WooCommerce. If you want to build trust with shoppers and make your product pages more helpful, turning on reviews is a great place to start. WooCommerce includes built-in review settings, and the setup only takes a moment once you know where to find them. To begin, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your site, store settings, products, and customer features. Once you're there, look at the left-hand menu and navigate to WooCommerce, then click Settings. This will open the main settings panel for your online store. Inside the WooCommerce settings area, click on the Products tab. This section controls important product-related options for your store. After you open the Products tab, scroll down until you find the Reviews section. That's where WooCommerce lets you control whether customers can leave feedback on your product pages. In the Reviews section, check the box labeled Enable Product Reviews. This is the main setting that allows reviews to appear and function on your WooCommerce products. If this option is turned off, customers won't be able to leave reviews, so this is the key setting to make sure is enabled. You'll also notice a couple of additional review options in the same area. You can enable star ratings, which adds a visual rating system and can make reviews easier for shoppers to scan quickly. This is especially useful if you want customers to get an immediate sense of how well a product is performing. You can also require users to be verified owners before they're allowed to leave feedback. That setting can help improve review quality and reduce spam or misleading comments, since it limits reviews to people who actually purchase the product. Once you've chosen the review options that fit your store, click Save Changes. This is an important final step because your updates won't take effect until they're saved. After saving, your WooCommerce store will be set up to display product reviews based on the options you selected. If you enabled ratings and verified owner restrictions, those settings will also apply going forward. Reviews can be a simple but powerful way to add social proof, help customers make buying decisions, and give your product pages more useful content. That's all it takes to display product reviews in WooCommerce. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.